In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your memorable information with Lloyds Bank. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So let's dive in. To begin, you'll need to open a web browser and go to lloydsbank.com. Now, to modify your memorable information, start by clicking on the login option located in the top right corner of your screen. This action will trigger a drop-down menu where you'll need to specify whether your account is a personal or business account. Once you have made this selection, you'll be directed to the login page. Scroll down and click on the Forgot Your Logon Details option. This will lead you to a new page where you should select the second option, Change Your Memorable Information. Proceed by clicking Continue. Here, you'll be prompted to confirm whether you know your user ID. If you do, provide your user ID, first name, last name, and date of birth. If you are unsure about your user ID, provide your account type, account number, sort code, first name, last name, and date of birth. After entering the required information, click on Continue to initiate the process of changing your memorable information with Lloyds Bank. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.